Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial on Tableau. This series of videos will help you take your skills from beginner to expert level in Tableau. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. In today's session, we will see how to display repeated row header in Tableau. Let me first show you the demo of what we will be doing today. Here we have a text table that shows sales done in case of different subcategories falling under different categories. Here you will observe that the furniture header is coming only once for the different subcategories that are present under the furniture category. But there might be a requirement that you need to create a text table where this furniture category is repeated for each of the subcategories like shown in this text table. So here for each of the subcategory, the furniture header is repeated. Further, you will see for office supplies also. First, the office supply category header is coming, then the different subcategories that are present under the office supplies category. Now, let's jump to Tableau and see how to display repeated row headers. First, let's create a text table. So drag category to the row shelf. Then we will drag subcategory to the row shelf next to category. Now drag sales to the text. Let's increase the width of this text table. Now you will observe that the header is not visible for the sales measure that we have added here. I have created a detailed video on how to display header for the single measure in Tableau. You will find the link of that video in the top right corner, and I have also added the link of that video in the description below. So one of the method to add the header for the single measure is write down in the column shelf within single quotes sales, press enter. Now hide this field label, right click and click on hide field label for columns. Now you will observe that the header is visible for the sales measure that we have added to text. Now to display repeated category header for this text table, create a combined field using the dimensions that you have added in the text table. In our case, the dimensions are category and subcategory. So select category, press Ctrl on the keyboard and select this subcategory dimension. Click on the drop down and click on create combined field. Now drag this combined field to row shelf as the first dimension. Now hide this header. Just click on the drop down and uncheck show header. Now you will observe that the category header is visible for each of the subcategories. So under furniture category, these are the 4 subcategories. So in this way, you can display repeated row header in Tableau. So this was all that I had to cover in this session. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this session was helpful. See you in the next tutorial.